Okay, so we're under the hood right now. In order to get to the coolant hose connections, you're going to need to remove the air inlet. Just disconnect it from here. There's a little 6mm or 1/4 inch that you can undo. It's probably best to use little tiny 1/4 inch tools. You'll need to undo this heat covering, which covers this. Where is it? Covers a bracket that goes on the very back here. You need to remove this elbow, which is held in with one bolt here. It's this one bolt. And like I said, you'll probably be able to see the bracket once I actually go back together with this thing. But the heater core connections are right there. I pushed the hoses out of the way for right now, so I'll show you those in a second, how they just push back on. The bolt for this is like right smack dab in the middle. Yeah, let's see if I can look at it. It's right in the middle between these two here, and it's recessed. That's a 6mm bolt. And in order to get to that, not easy. Once again, I use 1/4 inch tools. So 6mm, and then I used a little bit of black tape to go on the head to go back together so the bolt would stay inside the socket. So I'll show you this when it's back together.